exploring the wonders of the northern lights. The aurora, also known as the northern lights, aurora borealis in the northern hemisphere, and southern lights, aurora australis in the southern hemisphere, is a breathtaking natural light display that occurs in the night sky. One of the best places to see the aurora is in the far north or south, near the Earth's magnetic poles. Some of the top locations to see the aurora include Alaska, Norway, Iceland, Canada, and Antarctica. Auroras occur when electrically charged particles from the Sun, also known as solar wind, enter the Earth's atmosphere and collide with the gas particles in the atmosphere. When these charged particles collide with the gases, they excite the atoms and molecules of the gas, causing them to release energy in the form of light. The Earth's magnetic field traps these charged particles, causing them to travel towards the magnetic poles. When they reach the Earth's magnetic field, they are redirected towards the Earth's surface, where they collide with the gas particles in the atmosphere, resulting in the spectacular light show we call the aurora. The colors of the aurora are determined by the type of gas particles in the Earth's atmosphere that are being excited by the charged particles from the Sun. For example, green light is emitted when the charged particles collide with oxygen atoms at an altitude of around 60 miles, 100 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Red and purple colors are produced when the charged particles collide with nitrogen atoms at higher altitudes. The aurora is most commonly observed in the polar regions, as the Earth's magnetic field is strongest near the magnetic poles. The intensity and frequency of the aurora can vary depending on strength of the solar wind, which is influenced by the activity of the Sun's magnetic field. To provide more detail, the aurora is formed through a complex process involving the Earth's magnetic field and the solar wind. Solar wind is a stream of charged particles, mostly electrons and protons, that are constantly released by the Sun. These particles travel through space and eventually reach the Earth's magnetic field. As these charged particles enter the Earth's atmosphere, they collide with gas molecules, such as oxygen and nitrogen. When this collision occurs, the energy from the charged particles is transferred to the gas molecules, exciting them and causing them to emit light in the form of photons. The aurora is most commonly seen as a green or yellowish-green glow in the sky, but it can also appear as red, blue, or purple. The colors depend on the type of gas molecule that is being excited and the altitude at which the collision occurs. During times of high solar activity, such as during a solar storm, more charged particles are released, resulting in a more frequent and intense aurora display. The aurora is not only a stunning display of natural beauty, but it also plays an important role in the Earth's environment. The interaction between the charged particles and the atmosphere can create ionized particles, which can affect the Earth's ionosphere, a layer of the atmosphere that reflects radio waves and helps to protect us from the Sun's harmful radiation. In addition, the aurora can also affect communication systems and power grids, The charged particles that create the aurora can disrupt radio signals and satellite communication, and in extreme cases, they can even cause power outages. Therefore, understanding the aurora and its impact on our planet is important for protecting our technology and infrastructure. Scientists study the aurora using a variety of tools, such as satellites, ground-based instruments, and computer models. They analyze the properties of the charged particles, the movement of the Earth's magnetic field, and the behavior of the atmosphere in order to better understand the aurora and its effects. Moreover, the aurora has cultural and spiritual significance for many indigenous communities around the world. For example, in some Native American cultures, the aurora is believed to be the dancing of spirits, the spirits of ancestors. In Inuit culture, the aurora is seen as a message from the gods, a warning of imminent danger.